identified by their pink plumage and after spending time standing on one leg.
I can stand on one leg.
And did you know that flamingos are not born pink?
Yes, their colour comes from their dye of threads and plume. Cool, eh?
As you continue on your journey, remember that all of our expedition vehicles are fitted with the very latest in satellite tracking technology. So, continue on the journey.
Now, look closely everyone and make note of how many animals you can see so that we can document the number of this herd.
In the wild, the giraffe population has dropped by 40% in the past 30 years due to poaching and habitat loss.
The Chessington Conservation supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild and can grow as tall as 6 metres, that's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Whoa! That's as fast as a truck.
Researchers, keep your arms inside the vehicle at all times and stay seated. These animals may look friendly, but some of them can give a nasty nip. Keep your arms inside, please.
See some antelope with white blaze on their faces. These are called blesbok.
They were once one of the most abundant antelope species of the African plains, but they became an endangered species during the early colonisation of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat. Thankfully, numbers have now since recovered and they are now deemed as least concerned species.
They live for up to 17 years and both males and females have horns.
Though the females' horns are slightly more slender.
And the two with the brown slashes on their face are the babies that were born here on Resort last year. They will eventually go from the browns to the white as they get a bit older.
Hopefully you'll soon be seeing some more magnificent beasts.
What's that?
Rhino!
The rhino around the reserve are white rhino. Now you may want to hold on to your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get a lot of rhino dung.
Rhino dung? What? Who?
Yes, male rhino marking out their territory with piles of their dung.
The white rhino is one of 2 rhino species found in Africa and the second largest land mammal on Earth. Despite its name, the white rhino is not actually white at all. Its skin is grey. There are many different theories as to where the term white came from, but the most common one is that it is derived from the Afrikaans word for wide, describing the white rhino's wide mouth and upper lip. Their impressive massive horns are made from a chemical which is actually the same substance as your hair and fingernails, and is highly prized in many cultures. Sadly, poaching for their horns continues to be a threat to rhinos all over the world.
The white rhino, though, like those here, are the most plentiful species.
I think rhinos are super cool.